like a bus topology, and it connected with the ends. With ring topology has difficulty to troubleshoot, and it connected to the ends. And star topology. Star topology is used to connect to a through a central hub or switch or central server. Central server is also known as Windows server, and it is connected through the clients of the PC. And mostly in star topology uses switch and hubs are mostly used in the star topology. And tree topology. Tree topology is an hierarchy and it has only one path and connected to two nodes from both sides of the system. And mesh topology is consider the only more and it has more cables to connected with one system to another system, and it has difficult to troubleshoot in mesh topology. And this is about my topic, sir.
Akanksha Kochar.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me opportunity to present myself. My topic is troubleshooting. In this, we have to check the enable and disable. After that, we have to check the APIPA. APIPA range is 169.254.201 to 169.255.255. Then we have to troubleshoot it. Still not working, then we have to put some commands: IP conflict all, IP conflict. That's it, sir.
15 lines बोलना है.
15 lines. This in troubleshooting we have to configure the Wi-Fi is not working, then we have to put command. Then still not working, then we have to type run ncpl.com. Then still not working, then we have to type the IP conflict. Then we have to type the IP conflict all. Then still not working Wi-Fi, then we have to lastly we have to check out services MSC. Then the Wi-Fi is fixed. That's it, sir.
Very good. Dasharath Saini.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you for this opportunity. My topic is cable. It allows the user to connect their devices such as a computer, mobile phones, router, etc. to share some information and establish the internet connectivity among them. This device help us to carry or transmit the signals. Type of cable, three types of cable: coaxial cable, forecasting signals, broadcasting BNB connectors, and second twisted pair cable. The two type of twisted cable: first STP, sealed twisted pair cable, and second UDP, unsealed twisted pair cable, and third fiber optical cable. Fiber fiber optical cable forecasting signal SMF and MMF. MF signal mode fiber or MF MMF multi mode fiber.
Hmm. Jitendra, uh, no, Dinesh.
Sir,
Hmm.
good evening. Good evening. Sorry. Good evening, sir. Giving for the opportunity. My topic is OSI model. The OS, what is OSI model? The OS model is a reference of a physical of the phys- uh, physical of the representative and standardization of the label. Uh, wha- what is the abbreviation of OS model? Organize a standard uh, international. And what is the ISO? ISO, the the ISO, the ISO was developed by in 1984. Indian Indian organization standardization. It has seven layers of the seven layers. It has seven layers. First one is a physical layer, and second one network layer, and third one is data link layer. Fourth one is a session layer. Fifth one is a application layer. Sixth one is a presentation layer. Seventh one is a transport layer. First one is uh, uh, first one is a tra- mm, first one is a physical layer. Physical layer. The physical layer is the lower layer of the reference model is a physical layer. It is responsibility of the actual physical is called physical layer. The second layer is the data link layer. The data link layer is the responsibilities of the module delivery of the message. The main function is of the delivery is known as data link layer. So the third one is network layer. The network layer works for the transmission of the data from one wall to another wall on different position. Another position direct exchange will be the network layer. And the fourth one is transport layer. The transport layer is provides services provises to the application layer and takes services from the network layer. One, layer. The layer is established of connection, maintenance, session, and availability is known as session layer. Presentation layer is called translation layer. The data from the application layer is the extract layer. And last one, application layer. The application produces the data which how to n of the application in the produce of the applicant into the survey of the is called application layer. That's it, sir.
Very good. Jitendra Yadav. Hmm. Very good. Kapil Dawale.
Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. Today's meetings. My presentation topic is TCP and UDP. TCP is TCP is a transmission control protocol. UDP is a user datagram protocol. TCP protocol is a connection oriented protocol. Connection oriented protocol means this connection of the one computer to another as a connection in physical. And UDP is a connection oriented less protocol. And TCP is a reliable protocol, and UDP is a not a secure protocol. TCP is the synchronous types of the data transmission, and UDP is not a synchronized data transmission. Synchronized data transmission means the data is the transmission serial by serial, and asynchronous data transmission means multiple data transmission at a time. And TCP is a TCP is a data transmission rate is a slow, and UDP is a data transmission rate is a high, and TCP is a TCP is a secure communication protocol, and UDP not a secure protocol. And TCP is a data package is a TCP has not package loss, but UDP has some package loss and not find the package. And TCP is a acknowledge of the data transmission, and UDP not acknowledge. That's all about that today's topic TCP and UDP. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Kunal Patil.
I'm visible, sir. Hello, sir. Visible? Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity to give the presentation in that meeting. My presentation topic is topology, sir. So basically, world topology is termed as a shape, sir, and the network topology is the shape of any network, sir, which are wired together for sharing, exchanging, and connecting each other. The first one is bus topology, sir. Bus topology is also called a multi-point topology, sir. In bus topology, all the networks are connected to the single wire, which we call as backbone wire, sir. But the disadvantage of this topology, sir, if the wire is get damaged, the connection between every devices is get shut down, sir. Second one is the ring topology, sir. In ring topology, all the networks are passed in one direction, sir. If we want to send signal, then the all signal is passed in one direction from device to device until it reaches to their destination. We found ring topology in the school campuses or anywhere else, sir. Next one is tree topology, sir. Tree topology, sir. There is a one central node in the tree topology, and each node is connected to the central node, sir, to the single path. And next one is star topology, sir. Star topology uses local area network, sir, and where all the devices are connected to the central controller, sir, which we call as hub. And when in this device we want to sharing the data, in in this topology, when we are sharing the data is first going to the hub and then going to the other devices whichever we want to send. And last one is the mesh topology, sir, where every device is connected to each other for sharing and exchanging data. But the disadvantage of this topology is that we need more cables and more ports. That done, sir.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Mohammed Mohammad Jasim.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Thank you, sir, giving me this golden opportunity to give the presentation in this meeting. My presentation topic is steps of hacking. Now, in this meeting, we are discuss about steps of hacking. First step, information gathering. It is the first phase of hacking. Attackers collect maximum information about the victim. Now, there are two types of information gathering. First, active information gathering, and second, passive information gathering. Now, I want to tell you about active information gathering. Attackers collect information. Attackers collect information by directly communicating. 1 minute, sir. Active information gathering. Attackers collect information by directly communicating with victim machine. Second, passive information gathering. Attackers collect information by online methods. Next, scanning. What is scanning? Attackers collect advanced information about the victim, like IP address, server OS, and open ports, etc. Next step, gaining access. Attackers gain access to victim machine by breaking the password. Next step 4, maintaining access. Attackers install malicious application in victim machine so they can keep control of victim machine to perform all the malicious activity. Next, clearing tracks. Attackers clear all the evidence to avoid getting caught. Now I want to tell you about what is Google hacking or Google docking. So let's start. Google docking is a computer hacking technique. It uses advanced Google search operators to find security holes in the configuration and code that etc. That's all about steps of hacking. Thank you so much.
Nikita Power.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving me this opportunity in presentation in meeting. My topic is ITIL. ITIL means Information Technology Infrastructure Library. ITIL is a framework that provide best practice for ITIL service management. It offers guidance on how to align with the need of the business, improve efficiency and customer deliver value to customers. ITSM is the practice of delivering IT services and supporting internal customer with the help of the people, processes, and technology. Explain the phase of the ITIL life cycle. The ITIL life cycle for service includes are service strategy, service design, service transition, service operation, and continuous service improvement. The service strategy is the first of the ITIL life cycle. This describe the business goal and customer requirements as well as how to align objective objective of both entities of strategy. Next one, service design. Service design is the practice of planning and organizing business resources to enhance the experience of employee and their customers. Next one, service transition. Service transition is the ITIL stage that deal the transformation and change. Service operation. Service operation, managing and delivering service on a day-to-day basis. Service continuous service improvement is a method to identify and execute opportunities to improve IT process and services. ITIL benefits. ITIL benefits are reduce IT cost, improve IT service, improve customer satisfaction, standards and guidance, improve connectivity. That's all, sir.
Very good. Ramya.
Hello, sir. Good evening. Hello, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Going on.
Hello, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity in this meeting. Today, my topic is how steps of hacking. In this, 5 steps is there for hacking. First step is information gathering. It's also called as recognitions. And second one is scanning. And third one is gaining access. And fourth one is maintaining access, and fifth one is clearing the tracks. In the first one, information gathering is attackers collecting information from more from social medias and the victim machines. It's two types of information gathering is active and passive. Active in active information gathering sorry, active information gathering, the attackers collecting more information from directly from the victim. And in passive information gathering, attackers collecting information from the social medias sorry, from social medias like Instagram and Facebook, like that. And the second one is scanning. Is scanning in attackers collecting information, like scanning means attackers collecting the advanced information, like three-way handshake and full open scanning and half open scanning from the port numbers. Port numbers are around 65,000 port numbers is there. When the port is open, then signal is acknowledgement signal passing from the victim, then they scanning, then they attacking. And the third one is gaining access. Gaining access is gaining access is attackers breaking the password, password for the victim machine. And then maintaining access means attackers is dumping the malicious program into the victim machines through why? Because they keep the control of the victim machine. And fifth one is clearing the tracks. Attackers clears all the evidence to avoid the getting catch. Thank you, sir.
हाँ ठीक है
Sir,
हम्म,
my turn, sir.
yes
Actually, sir, as Parliament Agala Kabar. So please, good evening. Thanks for giving me this opportunity to give the presentation in this meeting. And my today topic is networking. So first question is why need networking? So networking is required for the establishment of a good and proper communication with each other. And if we are talking about networking devices, so network devices is used for establishment and connectivity between the physical devices in term of wired or wireless devices in term of help them to share some information between them. And if you are talking about types of networking devices, so we have gateway, hub, switch, router, NIC, repeater, and bridge. So if you're talking about gateway, so gateways provides the proper route packet to the packet that is going to travel on the internet. And if we're talking about hub, then it says that connection of the physical devices, the help of some medium like cable for establishing the communication between each devices. And third is switch. We are talking about switch. Then it is a device which is responsible for establishing the connectivity among the physical devices, wired or wireless. It is known as intelligent devices. It maintain its own switching table. And if we are talking about router, so router is responsible for the establishing the connection to the devices via any medium. Generally, it works on wired system to provide the connectivity with the internet. It is also considered as an intelligent device and it is generally used for the wireless connectivity. And if we are talking about bridge, it is only responsible for the establishing the connectivity same of different network in building or in the area. It establish the connection between LAN and WAN. And then uh, repeater, it is a device which is responsible for boosting the network performance and also the traveling packet over the network or on internet. And if we are talking about types of network, so we have LAN, WAN, MAN, CAN. LAN stands for local area network and WAN stands for wide area network and PAN stands for personal or private area network and CAN for campus area network, MAN for metropolitan area network. That's it, sir. Thank you so much.
very good Nikita Power
Yes, sir.
हम्म
सर मैंने अभी अभी तो प्रेजेंटेशन दी है।
अच्छा 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 संकेत सिरकर
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Good evening, sir. Thanks for giving me opportunity to presentation, giving the presentations in this meeting. So, sir, today's my topic is ITIL, ITIL stand for Information Technology Infrastructure Library. So, in that ITIL, first of all, what is the problem? In the problems, when you are working on the company, where same issues you are coming again and again, again and again. So, this is the problem. Second is the incident. What is the incident? Incident means this is the not a same issue. When we are while you are working, the different types of the issues are coming, but the same coming is the problem. An incident and directly come the issue. This is the incident. Then second is these are response times. In the response time, in that you are working in end users like your manager, your senior, otherwise someone else you are raising the ticket for you means so that time you are given the response, so that ticket you have response, so this is the response times. And second is the resolution times. In the end users means there are a lot of the tickets are you are planning when you are working on the times in any example like any tools means I am familiar with the Jira. So there are tickets you assign the end users, so that time you have open these tickets, and the different companies have different times. In that time particular times you have solved these problems means like you have 30 minutes, so you have solved this problem in the 15 minutes, so that is the resolutions times. And that tickets have the different means the priority and severity. So there is S1, S2, S3, P1, P2, P3. S1 means the like a critical, S2 means like major, S3 means minor. So P1 means high, medium, P1 means high, like P2 is medium, then P3 is the low. So you can decide that time you which tickets you have solved the first means the end users they have dedicates the mentions means in that so this is the priority, severity, incident, response time, resolution. So this is my side, sir. Hello.
Very good.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
उसेन उसेनजी राव. उसेनजी राव. Acha, what was the last topic we have done on yesterday?
Red Hat download.
Red Hat download. And theoretical part?
सर मैं रह गया ना.
हाँ.
सर मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन बाकी है.
क्या?
मेरा प्रेजेंटेशन बाकी है बोला.
हाँ तो मैं आपको नाम लिया था तो आपने आई थिंक स्कीप हो गया.
नहीं सर मेरा ना, मुझे लगा आप लेंगे करके. दो अभी. हेलो.
हाँ स्टार्ट करो.
हेलो.
स्टार्ट करो. स्टार्ट करो ऋषिकेश.
हाँ सर ठीक.
हाँ.
Good evening, sir. My name is Rishikesh Manoj Sonurkar. Thank you for giving me this opportunity of presenting today's topic. The today's topic is ITIL. So basically, what is ITIL? So ITIL is basically Information Technology Infrastructure Management. It is the widely accepted framework for the business transformation and the growth. It is used for generally information technology and the service management. It is a widely accepted framework by the number of professionals and the organization all around the world. When we use this ITIL, it have the different benefits such as the cost reduction, better service product quality, as well as it reduces the wastage of time and improves the communication between the different departments as well as the end users. Now, when we talk about the ITIL, there are the different terminologies we talk about. So basically, when we talk about the ITIL, it includes the different terms like the service desk, as well as we said about incident, problem, workaround. So the we are preparing for engineer profile, and therefore I limited my ITIL presentation only limited to the end user computing department. So first of all, I am explaining the term service desk. So basically, it is a point of contact between the end users and the IT service engineers, IT service providers. So this service desk engineer actually create the tickets. There are the different ticketing states when we create the ticket, such as new or assigned, as well as open and the closer ticket also. There is a one terminology against come when we talk about this ticket. It is service breach. Uh, Whenever the engineer fails to actually complete his task within the given time frame, then it is called as the ticket breach. There are also terms which are defined in the ITIL, such as incident, any unplanned or the sudden interruption, then it is called as the incident. But same incident is happening again and again, then it is called as the problem. There is a one more term which is called as the turnaround time. So basically, it is the difference between a response time and the resolution time. So response time is basically the time frame under which the engineer has to respond to the ticket, whereas the resolution time is the time frame under which the user has to resolve the issue. Thank you, sir. This is
Okay, very good.
thank you, sir.
Yesterday we have noted what is Linux last. Huh? Yesterday we have noted what is Linux.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we
Yes,
had a
sir.
certification path.
Linux
Okay,
Unix like
ठीक है.
computer
Now
was
note down
developed
करो
by
basic characteristics of Linux. आज अच्छा सब डाउनलोड हो गया सब लोगों का. Download complete.
Yes.
Okay. Now note it down basic characteristics of Linux.
Sir, done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Done.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Basic characteristics of Linux. Linux is one of the popular version of Unix operating system. Okay, popular version that's been I have already discussed. जो हिस्ट्री ऑफ लिनक्स पे टॉप ऑफ द मॉडल पे माल्टिक्स है, माल्टिक्स के बाद यूनिक्स है, यूनिक्स के बाद यूएनआईएक्स है। एंड नाउ ये जो यूनिक्स है, ये यूनिक्स के बाद सॉरी ये जो यूनिक्स के बाद लिनक्स आया, ये लिनक्स टोटली बेस्ड ऑन यूनिक्स ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, राइट? एंड लिनक्स वाज कंसीडरिंग यूनिक्स कंपैटिबिलिटी। कंपैटिबिलिटी मतलब डिवाइस कंपल्शन। आपने एक बात बोलो, are you able to install the Mac operating system to the Android device, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, Redmi?
No.
No. Are you able to install the that is Android operating system to any Mac device? Is it possible? iPhone
No, sir.
14, iPhone 15 पे अपने Android operating system install कर सकते हो?
No, sir, not
No,
possible.
sir. एप्स भी नहीं चलते सर आपने।
हाँ?
उनके एप्स अलग रहते सर उनके।
Yes, yes, yes. मान लो in front of you 4-liter water and in your hand 2-liter jar or the container. Is it possible to fill up the 4-liter water into the 2-liter jar?
No, sir, wasted.
No, sir. Insoluble. Insoluble.
So Linux is actually different. मतलब Unix का जो डिवाइस कंपल्शन था, Linux का वही डिवाइस कंपल्शन चाहिए। ठीक है, Unix का जो डिवाइस कंपल्शन था, Linux का वही डिवाइस कंपल्शन चाहिए। क्लियर? अच्छा, it is
Yes, sir.
open source. Open source मतलब free of cost, freely distributable to all, and its source code is free. मतलब permit is free, permission is free. Its functionality list is similar to that Unix. मतलब इसका जो functionality list मतलब features ये Unix की तरह सेम है। Am I clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Now note down कर लो architecture of Linux. Note it down, architecture of Linux.
सर डन।
Yes.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था।
हाँ
हाँ सर, जैसे इंटरव्यू में अपने को मतलब किसी क्वेश्चन का आंसर, तो फिर सर उन्हें मतलब कैसे कन्वे करने का कि मुझे इस बार इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर नहीं आता है अभी के लिए।
देखो, you have to skip it smartly. If you are not able to memorize on that time the answer, you do not waste the time. Okay? टाइम मत वेस्ट करो। जो आपने ऊपर देख रहे हो, नीचे देख रहे हो, यू आर नाउ फॉलोइंग टू द स्काई, right? So it's irritating. So you have to smartly give the answer. Sorry, sir. Currently, I have forgotten that. Okay? Or I don't know. But smartly, you just skip the point. Don't waste the time. Okay?
ठीक है सर।
Done, sir.
All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of architecture?
Structure.
Structure.
ढांचा.
Characteristics.
Physical infrastructure. The physical infrastructure is structure, sir.
Architecture, that means infrastructure, blueprint, design, you can say, right?
Yes.
So, मान लो if you want to build a house, what are the requirement is there? Sand, cement, water,
Each, sir, yeah.
bricks, steel, right? These are the requirement here. So the point is that ये जो hardware layer है, this is just like a bricks. The kernel, just like the cement. Shell is just like the sand, just a component. Okay. Not only Linux, for each and every operating system has the same demand जो आपको RAM मतलब हार्डवेयर लेयर चाहिए. It should be RAM, hard disk drive, CPU, any one. Right? Then the point is that kernel. देखो, kernel, it is the core component of operating system, interacts directly with hardware, provide low-level services to upper layer components. It is also responsible for all major activity of Linux operating system. Shell, an interface between users and kernel, hiding complexity of kernel functions from user. The shell takes commands from the user and execute kernel function. Shell accepts human readable commands from user and convert them into something which kernel can understand. I think I have already shared on the first day what is shell and what is kernel, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is the formal answer. आप just ये एक बार memorize कर लो, ठीक है? और पहले जो मैंने बोला था, by which operating system can communicate to the hardware is called kernel, and by which user can communicate to the operating system is called shell. ये है आपका just idea, concept. क्लियर हुआ?
Yes.
वेरी गुड।
सर HDD फुल फॉर्म?
हाँ, किसका?
सर फर्स्ट वन हार्डवेयर लेयर,
हाँ,
HDD फुल फॉर्म.
Yes.
HDD हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव, हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव।
ओके, हार्ड डिस्क ड्राइव. ओके सर.
हाँ, now we can go for that. Why we using Linux? Is it visible?
Yes.
हाँ,
Yes.
Done, sir.
हाँ,
Oh, sir.
हाँ all of you done?
Yes.
हाँ
Yes, sir.
yes, very good. Very nice. Linux is the critical technology for IT professional. Linux is the critical technology for IT professional, right? IT professional मतलब जो IT रिलेटेड कुछ काम पे आएगा, राइट? मतलब जस्ट लाइक द सिनेमा. Linux manages world stock market, smart TV, and flight entertainment system. In application development, in cloud computing with mobile application or IT and a Windows user needs to interoperate with Linux. अच्छा स्क्रीन शेयर करो, कल जो डाउनलोड किया था मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करूं.
डिसेबल्ड कर रखा है.
हाँ अच्छा नोट डाउन करो, हाउ टू इंस्टॉल द रेड हैट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. अनम्यूट करो ऋषिकेश.
हाँ सर. How to uninstall the sir, how to uninstall.
हाँ
Sir, how to install की uninstall.
हाउ टू इंस्टॉल द रेड हैट ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम.
हाँ सर.
डन. VMware ऑन करो, VMware.
Yes sir.
हाँ VMware ऑन करो.
Yes sir.
अरे इतना सारा सिस्टम है, ये सब डिलीट करो, नहीं तो सिस्टम हैंग हो जाएगा. चलेगा क्या ये?
फिर सर इसे पूरा डिलीट करना पड़ेगा डिस्क में से भी.
हाँ डिस्क पे डिलीट कर दो, डिलीट कर दो. क्लिक करो, नहीं ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, पहले
हाँ
पहले क्लिक करो. वहां पे नहीं है.
सर. सर एक सेकंड. डिस्क में से ही इसे डिलीट कर देता हूँ। सर एक साथ कर सकते हैं क्या इसे?
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, पहले सिलेक्ट करो। हाँ,
यस सर।
हाँ,
एक मिनट।
यस करो। VMware ऑन करो, VMware ऑन करो। अच्छा ये सब, अच्छा डिलीट कर लो, डिलीट कर लो, डिलीट करके ऑन करो, क्योंकि थोड़ा वहां पे स्लो हो जाएगा सिस्टम, ठीक है।
यस सर, उसी
हाँ,
के लिए। नो, इसमें नहीं है। हाँ हो गया सर, सब कुछ हो गया।
हाँ, नाउ VMware ऑन करो।
अभी एक हो गया है सर।
हाँ, क्लिक ऑन क्रिएट अ न्यू वर्चुअल मशीन,
यस सर।
then select the, अच्छा note it down all of you.
One VMware. Second is create a new virtual.
Select the typical
Click on typical.
and click on next.
Typical then next. सर यहाँ पे
Now I will install the operating system later.
I will install
हाँ,
OS later.
next.
Open.
हाँ,
सर यहाँ पे Linux.
now choose the Linux.
Linux. सर उसमें base to OS Linux. सर फिर वर्जन सर वर्जन कौन सा चूज करना है? हेलो लेफ्ट हो गया क्या?
Version 6.1.26 something.
Red Hat
6.1.
Linux 8 64 bit.
कौन सा भाई? रेड हैट लिनक्स
64.
ऊपर जाओ और ऊपर है,
ऊपर है।
ऊपर करो थोड़ा, स्क्रॉल
हाँ,
करो
अभी आ
ऊपर।
गया। अभी बताओ कौन सा?
ये है लिनक्स 9, नहीं तो 8 सर को आने दो 1 मिनट।
अपना
रेड हैट में नीचे रेड हैट लिनक्स 9 नहीं तो 8 64 बिट का, सर को आने दो लेकिन।
अच्छा, वो फाइल जो डाउनलोड करी है वो शायद 9.3 की है, वही हो।
मेरे पास भी 9.3 है, लेकिन मेरा 16 प्रो है ना अपना VMware,
हाँ हाँ,
तो उसमें रेड हैट लिनक्स 8 तक ही आती है रेड हैट उसमें।
मोहम्मद
9.3 9.3 का है।
मोहम्मद आसिफ.
मेरा
Yes.
బ్రో తెలుగా తెలుగా
No.
ఓకే బ్రో.
किसी को इंटरव्यू कॉल आया भाई?
తెలుగు పీపుల్ ఇస్ దేర్.
किसी को इंटरव्यू कॉल आया बोल?
I am Telugu.
ఎనీవన్ తెలుగు పీపుల్ ఇస్ దేర్.
Yes, bro.
Does any
Bro, మీరు
call?
బ్రో
Okay,
ఏం
bye.
పేరు?
Srinath.
బ్రో ఏమైనా నంబర్ ఉంటే ఇస్తారా బ్రో?
ఎవరిది బ్రో?
నాదే, మీది ఉంటే ఇవ్వండి బ్రో, మళ్ళీ క్లాస్ అయిపోయి నాకు ఫోన్ చేస్తాను రేపు ఎప్పుడైనా.
నాదా తీసుకో.
చెప్పండి బ్రో.
88
ఆ,
976
ఆ,
13143.
13143. ఓకే బ్రో, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ఎక్కడ బ్రో మీరు?
చిత్తూరు బ్రో.
చిత్తూరా? ఓకే ఓకే
ఓకే బ్రో.
ఓకే, క్లాస్ కాల్ చేసి మాట్లాడదాం.
Okay, bro.
ఓకే.
Anyone get interview call?
No, bro.
Okay.
Are you submitted all things bro for interview purpose?
Yes, that's why I'm
Am I
asking.
audible?
Yes sir.
Actually थोड़ा नेटवर्क का इशू हुआ था.
Okay sir.
Okay. अच्छा, now यहाँ पे वाटसन को ड्रॉप डाउन करो
हाँ,
एंड थोड़ा स्क्रॉल अप करो जरा. अरे हाँ ठीक है, डेटा इंटरफेस लिनक्स ऊपर ही आओ. ठीक है, हाँ.
सर यहाँ पे कौन सा?
डेटा इंटरफेस लिनक्स 9. डेटा इंटरफेस लिनक्स 9.
सर यही है, रेड हैट एंटरप्राइज लिनक्स 964 बिट.
हाँ. Yes.
रेड हैट
Okay,
एंटरप्राइज.
then next.
Yes sir. 64 बिट.
नेक्स्ट पे अच्छा नोट डाउन कर लो, नोट डाउन करके नेक्स्ट करो. हाँ.
हाँ यस सर, नोट हो गया सर.
हेलो सर,
हाँ.
अपना VMware 16 प्रो है, उसमें 9 नहीं आ रहा है सर, रेड हैट 9 नहीं आ रहा है उसमें, 8 तक ही रेड हैट 8 तक ही वर्जन है वर्क स्टेशन 16 VMware के.
रेड हैट 60, रेड हैट 964.
नहीं, रेड हैट 8 तक ही ऑप्शन आ रहे सर, रेड हैट 9 का ऑप्शन नहीं आ रहा इधर.
9 नहीं आ रहे, 8 को कर लो, नो प्रॉब्लम.
ठीक है सर, थैंक
हम्म. सर यहाँ पे
नेक्स्ट करो.
सर लोकेशन चेंज कर दूं क्या?
हाँ.
लोकेशन चेंज कर दो इसकी।
लोकेशन है, चेंज कर सकते हो अपने, आपका चॉइस है।
नहीं सर, वो सी में बहुत ज्यादा डेटा है इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ।
चेंज कर लो।
हाँ मैं चेंज कर देता हूँ इसे। हाँ सर, नेक्स्ट कर दो यहाँ पे।
हाँ,
नेम एंड लोकेशन।
नेक्स्ट।
यस सर।
हाँ
हाँ सर, यहाँ पे
हाँ हाँ, यहाँ पे आपका मैक्सिमम डिस्क साइज चूज करो 40
कितना
हाँ,
सर, कितना जीबी बोला आपने?
40
अच्छा 4 जीरो। ओके सर, यहाँ पे सर।
and select the first one, store virtual disk as a single file.
तो वर्चुअल डिस्क।
फर्स्ट ऑप्शन को चूज करो, स्टोर वर्चुअल डिस्क एज अ सिंगल फाइल।
यस सर।
हाँ,
एंड देन नेक्स्ट। नेक्स्ट किया और फिर ये नेक्स्ट। सर यहाँ पे
हाँ, then click on finish. Okay, now click on to the CD DVD SATA option.
then CD DVD SATA।
हाँ,
फिर यहाँ पे IS इमेज फाइल फिर से अपलोड करनी है क्या?
ओके करो।
हाँ सर। सर यहाँ पे चेंज करना पड़ेगा ना, विंडोज 10 हुआ है ना यहाँ पे।
हाँ, वहाँ पे ब्राउज पे क्लिक करो, वहाँ पे REGL काल जो डाउनलोड हुआ था उसको जस्ट सिलेक्ट करो।
ठीक है सर। यूज ISO इमेज फाइल।
हाँ
सर 1 सेकेंड में नोट कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ, नोट कर लो।
सर हो गया।
देन पावर ऑन करो।
पावर ऑन दिस मशीन। पावर दिस मशीन।
अच्छा, अभी देखो फॉलो करो, अभी नोट डाउन नहीं कर दे, कुछ नहीं कर दे, जस्ट फॉलो करो।
ठीक है सर। ऑटोमेटिक 14-20 seconds। Install the Red Hat 10 days media install Red Hat device troubleshooting। 14-20 seconds। 2 0। क्या हो रहा है? फ्रैगमेंट सम्स फ्रैगमेंट
कुछ नहीं करना है, वेट करो, सब ऑटोमेटिकली होगा। जहां से नोट डाउन करना है मैं फिर से बोल देंगे आपको।
यस सर
हाँ थोड़ा यहाँ पे टाइम देना है क्योंकि वो थोड़ा स्कैनिंग कर रहे हैं, तो इसलिए आपको ज्यादा टाइम देना है, ठीक है।
यस सर
हाँ आप ये स्कीप भी कर सकते हो, बट स्कीप करने के बाद क्या होगा, देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी टू क्रैक द सिस्टम आफ्टर द इंस्टॉलेशन, सो वी जस्ट वेट फॉर सम ऑफ द टाइम हियर।
सर यहाँ पे जो चेकिंग हो रहा है वो एक्चुअल चेकिंग किस चीज का हो रहा है मतलब
हाँ हाँ
वो सिस्टम का चेकिंग हो रहा है क्या हमारे लैपटॉप
ये सिस्टम चेक हो रहा है, मतलब कॉन्फ़िगरेशन आपके लिए सही है कि नहीं है।
अच्छा अच्छा पॉपअप शो हुआ है स्क्रीन पे
हाँ अच्छा, नाउ select the English and select the English India.
दिस इज इंग्लिश अच्छा इससे ठीक
Select the English and select the English India. Okay, then continue पे click करो।
हाँ यस सर इंग्लिश इंग्लिश इंडिया क्लिक ऑन नेक्स्ट
Continue करो।
कंटिन्यू किया है बट वो
हाँ
हाँ अभी आया
अच्छा
हाँ, सर यहाँ पे
अच्छा, now click on installation destination। ओके देखो
इंग्लिश
यहाँ पे 40 GB शो हो रहा है, राइट। सिलेक्ट द कस्टम ऑप्शन।
कस्टम
कस्टम ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करो, स्टोरेज कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कस्टम। हाँ then click on done।
यस सर
डन पे क्लिक करो, डन।
डन कहाँ पे?
ऊपर
अच्छा
ऊपर।
हाँ सर यहाँ पे भी
ड्रॉप डाउन द LBM.
LBM.
Okay.
ओके सर यहाँ पे
Select the standard partition.
select the standard partition.
Then click on the, अच्छा wait. Then class sign पे click करो. Click on class sign.
क्लास
class sign.
अच्छा प्लस प्लस
हाँ.
हाँ सर यहाँ पे
Now drop down the mount point.
यस सर
Okay.
यहाँ पे
And then select the first option slash.
दिस वन ना ठीक
Yes.
डिजार्ट
Set
कैपेसिटी
capacity डालो 15000.
15
000. 15000.
सर मुझे समझ में नहीं आया 15
3 times 0.
000. अरे यार
0.
0.
153
Triple zero.
ट्रिपल जीरो अच्छा
Now add mount point पे click करो.
एड अमाउंट पॉइंट ओके
Okay. Now again click on plus sign.
प्लस साइन ओके
Mount point पे drop down करो.
यस सर यस सर
Select the boot.
लेट बोट
Desired capacity type करो 15000 again.
15 एक बार 15 सर ओके
Add mount point. Okay. Again click on plus sign.
यस सर एक मिनट सर मैं नोट कर लेता हूँ
नहीं एक बार से सब एक बार नोट डाउन कर लेंगे पहले कर लो.
ओके ओके
प्लस साइन पे क्लिक करो.
प्लस
Now drop down the mount point. And desired capacity 1000. देखो 50 50 30 30 GB तो हो गया. आप लिया था 40 GB हार्ड डिस्क.
हाँ
50 50 30 हो गया और 10 GB आपके पास तो टाइप करो 100040. 1000. एड माउंट पॉइंट पे क्लिक करो.
हो गया है
ओके. नाउ नोट डाउन कर लो जो नोट डाउन कर दे.
हो गया सर
हाँ. देन डन पे क्लिक करो. अगेन डन पे क्लिक करो. हाँ. देन क्लिक ऑन एक्सेप्ट चेंजेस.
ओके
right? Then click on root password.
Root password. सर यहाँ पे पासवर्ड देना है
1 2 3 टाइप करो
1 2 3 1 2 3 सर डन कर दूं हेलो
हाँ 1 2 3 हाँ डन पे क्लिक करो मेरा आवाज ठीक से नहीं आ रहा है क्या
नहीं सर रिप्लाई नहीं आया
हाँ डन पे क्लिक करो यस अच्छा सो देखो ये है आपका इंस्टॉलेशन का प्रोसेस राइट नाउ क्लिक ऑन टू द begin installation option okay so it is the process for the installation of Linux operating system on the Red Hat. It can take 30 to 40 minutes.
Okay.
Here.
Yes, sir.
Very good. बोलो किसी का कोई डाउट्स है क्वेरीज है क्वेश्चंस है बोलो
सर जो हम लोग ऐड अमाउंट 1000 लेंगे उसके बाद का प्रोसेस क्या है मेरा वाईफाई स्लो हो गया था
क्या हुआ
मेरा वाईफाई स्लो हो गया था ऐड अमाउंट 1000 के बाद में क्या लेंगे
वहां पे जस्ट एक्सेप्ट जस्ट किया था देन यहाँ पे begin इंस्टॉलेशन पे क्लिक किया था ठीक है
सर मेरा एक डाउट है बट वो सर नेटवर्किंग रिलेटेड है सर एक डाउट
हाँ बोलो
हाँ सर पूछ लो अभी सर जो डाउट है ना सर वो उसमें नहीं क्या सर मेरे पास एक टर्म है टोकन रिंग नेटवर्क
क्या हुआ
टोकन रिंग नेटवर्क होता है ना सर कुछ पता नहीं उसके बारे में मुझे लेकिन वो
लोकल
वर्ड
लिंक नेटवर्क
नेटवर्क टोकन
लोकल के बाद आपका वॉइस क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है लोकल
सर लोकल नहीं टोकन रिंग नेटवर्क
अच्छा टोकन रिंग
हाँ हाँ
अच्छा अच्छा देखो दिस इज रिलेटेड टू द टोपोलॉजीज क्वेश्चन
अच्छा
ओके आपका टोपोलॉजीज हुआ था
सर हुआ था मैंने ऑनलाइन भी सर्च किया बट समझ में नहीं आया ये वाला
टोपोलॉजी इज द मैप अ वर्चुअल मैप मान लो आप एक बिल्डिंग का आपने नेटवर्क इंजीनियर है तो उसी बिल्डिंग के अंदर किस तरह का प्रोसेस पे नेटवर्क इम्प्लीमेंटेड है ये अगर आपके पास कोई मैप के अंदर है देख सकते हो जो इस तरीके से एक नेटवर्क को इम्प्लीमेंटेड किया था हमने दिस इज कॉल्ड द टोपोलॉजी अ मैप अ फ्रेमवर्क right there is a lots of topology is there the ring topology bus topology ये आपका hybrid topology star topology so you are talking about the ring topology that means the acknowledgement process मान लो there is a five computer each computer can connected through the cable और ये केबल मान लो आई एम द वन एम्प्लॉय ऑन दिस कंप्यूटर तो मैंने एक हाई मैसेज नंबर 5th कंप्यूटर को भेजा था आई एम यूजिंग द नंबर 2 कंप्यूटर तो ये जो 5th कंप्यूटर जाने तक थोड़ा वहां पे एक्नोलेजमेंट प्रोसेस होगा मैं कंप्यूटर 1 से कंप्यूटर 2 जाएगा 2 से 3 जाएगा 3 से 4 जाएगा तो दिस इज द टोकनिंग प्रोसेस
अच्छा अच्छा
क्लियर
ठीक हाँ
हेलो
हाँ बोलो
मेरे इसमें डाउनलोड हुई है सर रेड हैट मतलब वीएम में ओपन हुआ है
क्यों
इंस्टॉल हुआ है पूरा रेड हैट
इंस्टॉल हो गया
हो गया मतलब मेरे वीएम में मतलब ऑलरेडी मेरी सिस्टर है सर मॉर्निंग बैच को तो उसको ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल है सर, मैंने प्रोसेस लिख लिया है पूरा, लेकिन उस मेरे VM में ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल है सर वो।
ठीक है, तो रुको, वेट करो।
ठीक।
हाँ, ओके, ठीक है। और किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है?
नो सर।
ओके, तो आज इतना ही है, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट डे वी कैन गो फॉर द नेक्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ द प्रैक्टिकल एंड ऑल्सो द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक। ओके
सर इसे इंस्टॉल होने देना है ना?
हाँ, इसको इंस्टॉल होने के बाद जस्ट पावर ऑफ करके छोड़ दो, ठीक है। वहां पे और कुछ नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट मत करो, फिर
ठीक है,
इसको
ठीक।
कल बोल देंगे क्या करने। जस्ट इंस्टॉल हो जाएगा, रिबूट कंप्यूटर बोलकर कुछ ऑप्शन आएगा नीचे,
हाँ
वहाँ पे जस्ट रिबूट करके सिस्टम को पावर ऑफ करके रख दो।
ठीक है सर।
ठीक है, हाँ ठीक। चलो, गुड बाय टू ऑल ऑफ यू।
गुड बाय।
ओके सर।
रो 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 रो।